Hey guys, today I will show you how to make your own tool and change belt on N22A2 engine. Let's get started. We will apply handbrake and put the car in a gear. Now we can lift our car. And remove passenger wheel. We can put it under the car so we have safety on place. Or you can use jack stand. Now we can take off plastic shield behind the wheel. Open the hood. And there is our tensioner which we have to release. We will need some kind of tool for this job, which I will show you how can you make one right now. We will need flat bar 600 by 30 by 5 mm, welding machine, grinder and 14 mm 6-point socket. Or you can use head of M16 bolt instead of socket, which you can cut as shown on the picture. Prepare the end of flat bar with grinder. And weld the socket at the end of the bar. The tool is done. Let's change the belt. Put our 2 long tensioner bolt. And pull it toward the front mask. You have to take the belt out while pulling. Watch your fingers. And we can release now. Take the old belt out. This is the new belt. We can start to install our new belt. Insert it from the top. And we will continue at the bottom. You have to put the belt on as shown on the picture. Make sure the belt is not hanging over the pulleys. Start the engine and look at the bell. It has to go straight. Install back the plastic shield and we are done. Thank you for watching.